Meaning of Dullsville.
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 Dullsville. Dullsville is a slang term used to describe a place or situation that is boring and uneventful. It implies a lack of excitement, stimulation, or anything interesting. When someone refers to a situation as Dullsville, they are expressing their dissatisfaction with the lack of entertainment or interesting activities going on around them. People may use this term to describe a party, conversation, or even an entire city that is devoid of fun or excitement. In summary, Dullsville means a dull and uninteresting place or situation.